Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is a impromptu video of my cargo trailer. I have it here at the house real quick, cleaned it up, and just want to do a quick walkthrough, see if you guys had any interest in it, what sort of questions you have in regards to what I'm doing, what I have plans for the trailer. Feel free to drop a comment below. I want to make some videos on it, just want to see what everybody's interested in, so let me just do a real quick walkthrough. I'll post this video up, maybe I'll get some feedback, but for sure in the future I'll be doing some videos on it. So let's take a look. Okay. Love surfing, so got my Rusty sticker on there. Obviously the back side of the trailer. Start at the bottom. The start of my 12-volt system. Deep cell 12-volt battery here, 100 amp hour. My solar connection, as well as this fuse box managing where all these power lines go. I did have a space for an igloo cooler, but I'm kind of open to still designing this, what's going to be going back here and how it's permanently fitting. Right now nothing's really permanent besides the battery and this heater here. This is a 5 kilowatt Chinese diesel heater. Picked it up off Amazon. This is a really cool heater, and it just worked great for us. We were in 19-degree weather, and it kept us warm through the night. It was perfect. It worked way better than I thought it was going to, and it came in clutch big time. So I want to do a video on that as well. Some of the connections below. The exhaust and fuel and whatnot. This is my camping griddle. Some portable stoves. Gotta have that coffee on the road. This is just my outlet when I connect with hookups. Cool little neon I got. Got it connected to the kapow. It's a little power station. It's directly connected to the battery below. USB and cigarette port lighters. My battery meter. Have some cool lights. Made this use out of this box to make this. Got my solar going into the roof. This is the fuel that feeds the diesel heater, as well as the LCD monitor. A little solar light for at night. Comes in handy. Fuel filter and lines going all the way down to the motor, or to the heater. Very simple, very convenient when we're on the road, when we go camping. Got my spare. Put these decals on yesterday. They came out pretty sweet. Got the sunset or moonset with some birds or bats or whatever. Got a little UFO out there, just checking on some hikers. Walk. I welded this sucker on there because the one it came with was broken. I also put these windows in on each side. They were throwing out some of this foam insulation at work, so I cut up the larger pieces to start insulating the inside. When we went camping and it was that real cold weather, we have our vent over here from the back side of the heater, and it did really well, although it was doing the best it could and it served its purpose for sure. There was like cold air coming through the seams of the trailer, so put this foam board and the bottom piece butted up right against the wall. Should solve that issue there. I am going to eventually just insulate the whole inside. This trailer didn't come with a vent, so I put this fan in here to take out the hot air, you know, during the summer, or if we're cooking and some smoke gets in here, we can pull that out. Some of our camping stuff, consolidated that big tote. We got our chairs and T-ball and a wagon and my canopy. We'll put our bikes in here, and we'll just lay a mattress down, inflatable mattress, and me, my wife, and my 3-year-old son, we sleep in here when we go camping. So normally if we're going on the road, it's filled with toys and maybe additional tote for food. Perhaps that goes in the back. We're still kind of figuring stuff out, but it's our compacted trash can. That looks nasty in there, huh? Extension cord if we ever have power. It's kind of cool. It has these hanging things, so we'll hang. Got my skewers, little toy bow and arrow. Yeah, that's it. So let me know what you guys think. Any questions, let me know.